Today I'm going to show you how to clean out and do a deep clean on your iRobot Roomba. So of course the first thing everyone does is you clean out this here. This door comes open and you just empty that in the trash can. So we just empty that out. You can clean this off as well. This is the filter. So if you need to clean that, you can. All right, so we go ahead and switch it on over to the back here. And this compartment here, if you push these yellow tabs, it just opens up a little too well sometimes. And then you can clean out these. So these come off. Just note how you took them off. And it's gonna be easy because the yellow portion sits in the little holder there. And so what you can do is just use your fingers, get off any hair, dust, things like that. Let me grab one thing. I'm gonna grab a pair of scissors. As you can just cut the hair instead of trying to pry it off. That's gonna make things a lot easier. I'll do it at the end here. And this tab, this here also comes off. It just pops off, and then it has hair and dust under it you can clean out as well. And you can do kind of a deep clean on your Roomba. It depends how often you use it. We usually do it maybe once every 3 months or so. Once every 2 to 3 months. If your Roomba starts running slow or stopping, then that could be another signal you need to clean it off or do a deep clean. You want to make sure that spins there. So that one's done. Gray in goes in first, and then once it's in, you just want to make sure it spins. We'll pop that off to start. As you can see, it's got a lot of hair. We've got some dog, but this looks like more people hair. So I'll start at this end and just kind of cut through it. You may have to do that a few different places because the hair gets under these little plastic bars here. And as you can kind of see down in here, I don't know if there's something down there, and that'll impede it looks like a lint or something. I don't know what that is. Some paper, who knows. What I like to do too while I've got this open is I'll take a screwdriver, go ahead and unscrew this little part here. There we go. And that's not too bad. But what this does is this kind of sweeps the dust into this area so it'll suck it up. What happens a lot of times is hair will get underneath here and it won't be able to turn. So that wasn't too bad, but we'll just screw it back on here. For some reason it looks kind of like those little, and you don't need to tighten it too tight, just enough. Looks like one of those little balls from Harry Potter that they play with or something. And once we do that, we'll put this back on. This just clicks back on. And you may not have the same model number or the same machine, but they all generally have the same kind of workings here. I'm going to turn this around. It's a lot easier to put this back in from this angle. I hope this video helped out, guys, and go ahead and check out this next bit.